Dear civil engineers, this is Hedaetullah from School of Civil Engineering. Now, how we will transfer our river, or I'll copy our river from that column and foundation to another 3 column or foundation. Okay, and also how we'll copy our reinforcement from that beam to here and this beam to here. Okay, so first of all I need to create view list, another windows. So I'll just go view list, and from here I need plan at elevation 0 0. Okay, and I'll click OK. After that I'll click here and tilt vertically. Now they have one horizontal and one vertical. Suppose you need to move that plane, or if you see that here your plane is in 3D, then what you actually do? Okay, what you can do, just simply go here view, then switch to 3D plane. Just see here your plane is at elevation plus 0 0, but it's showing you 3D view. Okay, so again I'll click here like that. Now to copy, actually what we want to copy, first of all we have to find out that what we want to copy. I need to copy, actually when your structure is small, then we can create reinforcement detailing or the separate way. But when you are working with a big project where huge elements are available, then you have to use that copy paste option to reduce your time. Okay, so here I'll just open that option so that I can find out what I have selected. So first of all, what I need to copy, I need to copy that, press Ctrl, I need to copy that foundation beam, foundation river, then our starter river, then our column river. Just see I have selected 3 components. Okay, from here now I'll just go edit, from edit I'll go copy, and from copy it's telling us pick the origin for copying. So I'll tick the origin. This is our origin, must remember point of intersection. Okay, so I'll click here. Now where I want to copy, actually, so I want to copy here, and when I'll click here it will take some time as per your PC requirement. Okay, so if I just come here, just see here it's have been created. Okay, it's have been created here. So actually for this case, our this foundation and column river and also another foundation and column river, that is same. That's why I'll also copy here in that intersection, and also I'll copy in that intersection. Just see here we have created how easily. Now for our beam we'll do same work. I'll press escape, and from here I'll just click on that, sorry, I'll skip it. I'll skip and I'll interrupt. Okay, and from here we have selected our beam river. Okay, now same way I'll click copy from here, from that intersection. Okay, I'll press our next intersection here, and see our reinforcement have been moved. Again I'll close, and from here again I'll select our river like that, and again I'll click copy, and I'll select origin of that river, and I'll go here. Just see we have created reinforcement for our all structure. Now I'll just close it. For our all member we have created reinforcement detailing. Still stay connected till next video, and if you want to support us, then join as a member in our channel. So thank you very much.